Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás? Michael here, coming to you live from Mexico. I'm coming to you from Guanajuato, and it is Thursday, April 22nd, y'all. It's 6 p.m. and Bitcoin just took another big dump, took another big dive. And the amazing thing about this market is, it's a flipping roller coaster, right? Like life is a roller coaster. And this market and all markets, typically healthy markets, demonstrate this. So I'm just going to talk a bit about what's happening right now in Bitcoin. And I'm doing this video for you if you're a friend of mine, if you're a client, if you're invested with me, if you're in one of our crypto programs, if you're in our trading group, like you're going to get this video, right? If you're on YouTube too, you're going to get this video. I just think everybody needs to see this video right now. But I'm also doing this video for me. Even though I've been in this market for 4.5 years, I still get weirded out when I see shit like this sometimes. So check this out. So let's look at this. We had the big dump on Saturday, right? This was Saturday night. I was at my friend's house. We were doing some karaoke, drinking some mezcal, and I saw my phone and I was like, what the fuck? So this was Saturday night. This was the big dip dump here. And this is where we're at Thursday. It looks like they was trying to recover here and it just dumped down a bit now recently. Okay, just like an hour ago. Okay, so the price was, let's put things into perspective. We got to put things into perspective. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this video short, but I do have a few things to cover. And I think that this is healthy and this is a good sign. And it's going to take a little bit of time to wrap your head around this. So let's go through this in detail. We've got the new all-time high right here, almost 65K. All right, we surpassed 64K US for Bitcoin, which is phenomenal. It's amazing. Okay, so where we're at right now is like things look a little scary and there's a bunch of FUD out there. There's a bunch of FUD about the environment and the energy costs and like China coin and like all these things, rumors. A lot of it's really all nonsense. And you can see if you've done my Bitcoin course, you'll understand that. If you've done my trading course, you'll understand that. And if you do your own research, you'll understand that too. But anyway, let's fast forward this stuff and see what we got here, okay? We pay, me and my friends, we pay to be in different groups and we learn from different people, different mentors, because there's so much money to be made in this market. It's super abundant. To pay a little bit every month, like $100 a month, is not a big deal, okay? Because you can make thousands of dollars in a day, and I do, and I have, and you can too. And maybe you do too. Maybe you're joining us because you know you can as well. Like one of my mentors always says, the more eyes on the charts, the more money we all make. So let's do this. Let's jump into this together. This is a guy, I like this video a lot. It's funny because he's young looking, but I've heard his name thrown around for a while, Four Flies. And this was a great video I just watched. And he basically said that, in his opinion, what just happened is what's called a double bottom pattern. Now, this is a great video. I'm going to put the link here for you guys to watch in the description, okay, or in the below chat here. And he says right now this Bitcoin just hit, I think he just came out with this video. He said it just hit a double bottom pattern. So let's draw this out a little bit here. So he says right here and right here is a double bottom pattern. Now this is fantastic because that means it's a bullish sign. That's great news because it's, like I said, it's a bullish sign. And that's what he said. You go to Investopedia right here, a double bottom pattern. You can do this, Google yourself, just do this research yourself, check this out. Double bottom patterns are typically bullish, okay? So right here, let's just read this quickly. Typically indicates a bullish reversal, which provides an opportunity for investors to obtain profits. This is key. Obtain profits from a bullish rally. Check this out. We've just had a huge bullish rally, right? We've just had this massive long uptrend since the beginning of March from 43K all the way up to 63K. Come on, that's flipping huge. That is 20K in the span of like a month and a few weeks. It's extraordinary. It's phenomenal. And it's, oops, what is that? It's a nice, healthy 48%, let's just roughly call it, okay? So he says we got a double bottom pattern here. Investopedia says that it means that it's potentially typically bullish, which, bullish, remember, means longs, right? If you need that basic trading lingo, then go to my trading course, which we did last year, which was so much fun. That was back when the price was like $8,000 for Bitcoin. So great. If you want that course, it's in the link. And so it says it provides an opportunity for investors to obtain profits from a bullish rally. Now, here's what's important. What just happened? April. April in America is like tax month, and April is known for being a profit-taking month, okay? If you're not familiar with profit-taking, again, hit up my trading course. You'll see the link in the description too. So profit-taking means like you sell. This is where you pay your bills. This is where you take profit. Because trading and capitalizing on this and that and just buying low and selling high is not true profit until you receive the profit back into your bank account, until you cash out. So that is probably what's happening right now. That's what's been happening in the month of April. And it's very common, especially for Americans and American markets, to take profit, to take their money back, okay? Now listen to this. After a double bottom, common trading strategies include long positions. So this means going long. This means the price rising. That means bullish. That will profit from a rising security price. So in this case, this example, this is a real example that happened in the NASDAQ. 2018, just a good example of a double bottom pattern. Let's check this out. So somebody caught this and they captured it and they said, bang, this is going to go back up. And their target was up there and they caught it here and they said, this looks like this is forming a double bottom pattern. Now, this is, again, just educational, informational, entertainment advice. Not saying do this right now. This is just us working together, sharing, learning, listening, and benefiting from each other, right? Like my mentor said, I'm very happy to pay for his knowledge because he's helped me a ton. He says, like I said, the more eyes on the charts, the more money we all make. So we're all in this together, baby. So let's now look at this. I now want to show you this, and then we're going to just cap this video off. Okay. I personally was not sure how long this would last, and I was a little nervous myself. And I made this chart. Pretend this doesn't exist. Pretend this right-hand side of the screen here does not exist, okay? I made this chart myself. I mean, I'm no chart friggin' expert, but this is just some observations that I made. And I don't know what the heck happened there. And basically, I noticed that, this is something that we should all be aware of. So this is just since January. These white lines here are the bear markets. These are the dips, the crashes, right? Now check this out. This is super fantastic. Like you guys should send me like $5 just for this video, okay? Just because this is so important. Like the light went off when I did this, okay? So here we have a 15-day bear market. We had the top in January, a new all-time high, woo, over 40K in January on the 7th, okay? And then what happened after the new all-time high happens every time? Bang, there's a crash, there's a dip, there's profit taking. This is key. Profit taking, people taking profits, investors taking profits, sell-offs, okay? Buy low, sell high. So the market dumps, goes to the bathroom, takes a poop for about 15 days, and it drops about 29%. If you know Binance or TradingView, you can do this yourself. If you took my trading course, you can do this. You already know how to do this because you took my trading course. And I taught you how to do this, and we learned together. So 29% was the drop. You could say 30, you could say 31. Let's just say 29 for the sake of, whatever. So here we have a 15-day lasting dump. It goes down 29%. And then what happens? After that, we get a brand new all-time high. And we pass and surpass 41K, and we touch and we hit 47K. Then we go up higher into February. We pop off, we top out again at 57K. Okay. Now that is an amazing bull run where we've made, how much money did we make in this if we stayed in the market, or if we bought at the bottom? We made 89%. Now that's impossible to capture this. Maybe you're trading actively, maybe you're buying and holding, maybe you're not even in the freaking market yet. But if you buy here and you sell here at the bottom to the top of this box, you make 89%. Phenomenal. Not entirely possible. Nobody gets it right every single time. This is a great quote that I heard the other day from Nathan Rothschild, who's one of the best legendary traders of all time. Of course, he's part of the Rothschild family, so potentially you could say an evil guy, but anyway, let's just say he's a good trader. Let's use that information, okay? So then what happened? Then another 11-day dip, a bear market that lasted 11 days, okay? With me? This bear market lasted 11 days. Then what do we have? Then we had a rise from the bottom at 44K, right? Hit the bottom at 44K. And when we went all the way up to 61K, another 20K in growth, okay? And this was a brand new all-time high again. So this is key. I hope you're seeing a pattern. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you're seeing a pattern. I hope you're seeing a pattern. I hope you're seeing what's really going on here. Sorry, I got too many clicky tools and things. Let's do this. How can I, where's my circle? Come on, circle tool. Give me that tool that draws those pretty circles. Not finding it. This thing is so funny. I mean, it's so cool. All the stuff you could do on this platform and this thing is just phenomenal. Just give me a flat, plain old pencil and I'll draw it myself, please. There we go. Okay, there we go. So all-time high, brand new all-time high, brand new all-time high, brand new all-time high. What's this? This just happened. Just you know, like 9 days ago. What happened? A brand new all-time high at 64K. So I myself earlier today was like, man, I don't know what's gonna happen. What's going on? What's the dealie? What's the dealio, right? I don't know. I'm not too sure. But you know what? Don't fret, mon chéri. Do not fret. Do not fret, mon chéri. If you took my Bitcoin course that I made back in 2017, which is now online, by the way, it's a fully online course. You'll get the link for that. This is everything you need to know about Bitcoin. You know what this asset is. You know where this market's going. You know how far it's come. You know where we're going, and you know why we're going where we're going and why this is not going anywhere, why it's just going to get better and better and better. So here I tell you, look, these drops, 29%, 23%, 17%. I don't know what that one in the middle is. 21% here. Look at this drop, 21%. Bang. Okay. Look, that's the 18%. Oh, now I know what happened. It was 21% the other day, and now it's now 22%. Now that we've gone down another little bit. So these are the drops, guys. But look here, pay attention. I'm doing this for me. I'm doing this for you, and then we're going to wrap this up. It's done. Every time we hit a new all-time high, we have a drop. We have a significant drop. We have a profit taking. We have a dipping. We have a dropping. So what's going to happen now? Again, I have no crystal ball. Nobody does. Anybody that tells you is a liar. Nobody gets it right every single time. And the great quote from Nathan Rothschild is that he never buys at the bottom and he never sells at the top. He never sells too soon and he never buys too low. And why is that? Because it's not freaking possible. Nobody knows where the market's going to go, what the market's going to do. So this circle right here, and then we're going to wrap this up and finish off this video. This is to say, this is what we're looking at. What we're going to look at for the next few days, most likely, is another few more days of this. Okay, it could go this way. I do not know. I have no crystal ball. It could go that way. It could go this way. Okay, but what's probably going to happen is after that, we're going to go here. Okay, we might go to 76. We might go to 70. We might go to 68. We might go to 71. But this is the way this market works, y'all. And you know what? History repeats itself. History repeats itself. The problem is that people don't learn from history. Let's learn from this short little time in history right here, these last 4 or 5 months, and understand what the heck is going on, y'all. I hope this video was helpful. Like, subscribe, share this with your friends, share this with your homies, share this with your buddies. You know, long-term, you know, ladies and gentlemen, people all over the world, where this market is going. And if you don't, you need to take the Bitcoin course, the everything you need to know about Bitcoin course. This is the most stable, the most secure, the most profitable asset class of the last 10 plus years. And it's not a freaking accident. This ain't tulip mania. Those people are not doing their due diligence and they're not doing their research. Bless you for watching this video. Thanks for hearing me out. Thanks for hearing me speak. Let me share my piece. I'm going to watch this video myself just to remind myself what's really going on here. And of course, buy low, sell high. That's probably what I'm going to do right now. Peace.